The PCHAT is an online tool designed to promote English learners' confidence and fluency in conversational English. In this video, we'll introduce some of its most innovative features. By the end of this video, you'll have a general understanding of how this tool works and how flexible and convenient it can be to use. We know every classroom is different, and the PCHAT can be used for a wide range of speaking tasks. As a teacher, you can create and select conversation topics with pre-selected target words that students would find useful in a conversation. You can also select the length of the conversation or leave it up to your students to decide for themselves. And you can challenge students to think more deeply about their own performance and goals by customizing reflective prompts at the end. Using the PCHAT is even simpler than setting it up, because the tool guides students through 4 steps: task preparation, recording, transcribing, and reflection. With guided sequencing, you can focus your attention on providing individualized support where it's needed. You can rest assured knowing that students are at the helm of their own learning, and that while they are practicing, you are collecting valuable data for assessment. We know how time-consuming and tedious grading can be, so we focused our attention on the grading process in order to make the experience efficient, thorough, and flexible. Evaluation of students can be done anytime, anywhere, and you can evaluate groups of students simultaneously. With rubric-based grading, you can evaluate individual students based on customized criteria suitable to your curriculum. And you can leave comments and feedback, which students can access as soon as you've written it. The PCHAT allows you and your students to track progress over time on easy-to-understand metrics like total words spoken and average turn length. These metrics can encourage students to speak more each time, and with the right amount of practice, will mark their improvement. For more detailed information, including video tutorials on how to set up and make the most of this innovative tool, please visit this website and log in as a guest.